Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect email inbox to the Hubspot. So let's get started. First of all, go on your Hubspot. Once you are in here, you have to click on this gear icon, and here you have to click on the email. Now you have to go on the connect personal email. Turn on inbox automation and set up your email account or email address. Now you have to connect your Gmail and continue it. You can also choose another account, but if you don't, you have to just continue it, and here you have to choose your account. Once you choose your account, you have to allow this Hubspot, and your account is connected to the Hubspot. So yeah, this is how you can connect email inbox to the Hubspot.